Today we're unboxing an essential winter gadget, the Zigbee Smart Heating Valve. Control your temperature from your phone and save up to 40% on energy costs. It also integrates with HomeKit for voice control.
Hey Siri, set the room temperature to 20 degrees C.
With a built-in temperature sensor, you can easily adjust the heat with just a tap. Set up automatic schedules so your home is warm and cozy the moment you walk in. After inserting the batteries, you need to set the day of the week and the time. Rotate the knob to select the day. For example, today is Wednesday. Press the button to confirm. Next, set the time. Rotate the knob to select the hour. For instance, it's currently 4 p.m. Press the button to confirm. Then, set the minutes. After completing these steps, the device will perform a self-check. It will display AC. Press the button to start the self-check. When it shows AC1, wait for the screen to dim. The self-check will begin and the valve will slowly open. Once completed, press the button. It will display AC2 for the second stage of the self-check. The valve will close and then open again. When finished, the device is ready for normal use. You can adjust the temperature using the knob. Set indicates the target temperature. After a moment, it will display room, showing the current room temperature. You can also press the button to switch modes. The current mode is manual. The other modes are boost, forced on, the valve stays open and won't close automatically. Sleep mode, away mode, auto mode. In manual, sleep, and away modes, you can adjust the temperature with the knob. Auto mode uses a scheduled task. The system has default settings for timing, and you can also modify the specific details of the tasks. You can refer to P13, schedule setting. We will add the device to the Zigbee network Azula. First, set it to pairing mode. Press and hold the button to enter system settings. Click to access P01. Rotate the knob to select the mode as NEA. Press the button to confirm. The screen will display Add, indicating that it is in the pairing process. Add a new Zigbee device in Azula. After a moment, the addition will be successful. Additionally, if the device is not connected to any Zigbee network, it will enter pairing mode after you reinsert the batteries. So you can also add it to the Zigbee network during startup. Once added successfully, you can control it with your phone. You can turn it on or off, select modes, set the temperature, check the room temperature, set the forced heating time, set the anti-freezing temperature, change the temperature display units, and view the battery percentage. We can add automation on the Smart page. You can schedule the heating valve to turn on or off at specific times. For example, I have set it to turn on daily at 6:30 p.m., switching the heating valve to manual mode for automatic room heating. Of course, you can also schedule it to turn off or link it to other sensors to control the state of the heating valve. We can also add the heating valve to HomeKit for voice control. First, power cycle the Azula gateway to enter pairing mode. Wait until all blue indicator lights on the gateway are lit. Then, add the accessory in Apple Home. Scan the QR code on the back of the Azula to add it successfully. The heating valve will automatically sync to HomeKit. You can adjust the temperature in Home and also control the temperature with your voice.
Hey Siri, set the room temperature to 20 degrees C.